Volvo appears to be the most recent victim of data theft, with a number of corporate documents being offered for sale on a criminal online forum. Following an alleged ransomware attack on the manufacturer's systems, 200 gigabytes of documents were obtained, with the documents showing up for sale for $2.5 million. In the publication, the person in charge of the sale is identified as Intel broker and claims to have lists with employee data, software license terms, internal documents, access credentials to management, communication, and control platforms, and more. The company's data banks and APIs, as well as the company's Wi-Fi networks, had all been compromised, with credentials and other technical details making up the whole thing. Lists of directors, Volvo car parts diagrams, and internal presentation slides may all be seen in the cybercriminal's shared exhibit, along with business proposals that appear to be focused on providing vehicles to emergency and law enforcement forces. Considering that only screenshots of the underlying telecommunications equipment were made available as proof, there are no discernible data between what was disclosed and what has been confirmed as to whether the information actually belongs to the manufacturer. The ransomware involved in the event was Endurance, a relatively new player in the cybercrime scene but already responsible for attacks against the American federal government in 2022. The person responsible for the publication and sale of the book claims to still have reports about security flaws in the brand's systems that haven't been fixed, which may be helpful to anyone looking to launch new attacks. The Volvo company confirmed the possibility of a connection between the occurrence and the Voziman in December of the previous year. In that instance, the mounter claimed to have been the victim of a compromise involving a limited quantity of data from its research and development sectors, which is consistent with the kind of the information that the cybercriminal had published as an example. The company also denied in the statement that it had been hit by a ransomware attack. However, in this case, the digital security expert Snatch claimed responsibility for the attack, using methods targeted against Windows-based devices to avoid detection by security systems but omitting to mention Endurance as a tool of this offensive. Volvo didn't comment on this latest incident.